Hello guys, my name is Marty and in this video I will show you how can you change wallpaper on your new T-phone or T-phone Pro. So let's start. First, go settings, and here you got a wallpaper and style. Change wallpaper. Now you can choose from your photos or from device wallpapers. For example, we're gonna try first on device wallpapers. I like this one, yeah. And you can decide if you want it for home screen or lock screen. So we're gonna do home screen now. And you need to click again home screen. And that's it. You got it. If you wanna do it on your lock screen, it's the same way. So you just go here, device wallpapers. For example, we're gonna choose this one for lock screen. You just press this lock screen. Again, lock screen. And that's it. You got it here on your lock screen. Perfect. And if you wanna do it, with your photos, it's the same process. So go wallpaper style, change wallpaper, and now we can choose from our photos. You can choose from camera or screenshots or from your albums. So we're gonna choose from camera. I got some picture here. Yep, that's my picture from my T-phone, and we're gonna set it up for home screen. Right, home screen, and that's it. Guys, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and have a nice day. See you later. Bye.